Good morning, everyone. This is Gordo. Let's hope today is a good day. Just leaving my house. I am heading to the department because I have to change into my uniform. Today, we are going to be participating in a Wings to Fly event. What that all entails is we are taking kids from some local high schools, and we will be taking them to the local airport and showing these students, because they're high schoolers, minorities and females, or minority females, however you want to word that, but we're going to be taking them to the local airport, and they're going to be going to separate stations within that airport to show them like how aviation works as far as the components of a plane, how a plane maintains its flight, the physics of the plane. There's going to be lunch. The students are paired up with a pilot and a police officer, and then they will be able to go up and fly in the plane and ask the pilots questions. I believe there's going to be Delta Hawks there, like pilots, like for either helicopter or jet. So it is currently 8 o'clock. I'm supposed to be there at 8:30, so maybe I'm running a little bit late. I'm not a morning person. I'm a night owl. But it should be a good day. I did not get up in time to eat anything, so I'm a little bit hungry. I have another person grabbing me coffee because coffee is life right now. So it should be pretty good. It's going to be from 8:30 a.m. until 3:30 p.m. So a bit of a day, but I think it's going to be really, really good. Our agency has a position called COP, and that person is in charge of like community engagement. So because right now it's a male officer, he created this event. He's done other events in the past. We've had like contests down at our local skate park that he's helped put together. He's had an organization hand make blankets to give to either the homeless or the veterans. There have been people that have made gloves, like handmade gloves for the homeless population, things like that. What else has he done? He's working on getting a group of kids to be able to go to a basketball game, a Bucks game, so that's something in the works, so hopefully we can be a part of that in the future. He's raised money to donate to the Children of Halo, which is our homeless shelter here in the city. So he's just doing a lot of good things, and this is another just one of those events that he's done. So today we're going to be at the Batten International Airport, and it should be a good day. So I am currently on my way to the department to get my uniform, because when we do these events, he likes to have us in uniform as much as possible to just show the community that we're not anything but ordinary people, just it's a uniform, you know. So there's a lot of discrepancy right now, like there's a lot of controversy and tension between the community and officers, and rightfully so. There's a lot of stuff on TV and the news, and people see things every day, and everyone has stories, but he's trying to combat that with positive interaction. So that's what we'll be doing today. Ready to roll.
There's so many kids running around the ramp. I just want to make double sure we're clear.
All right, here we go. Fly event was planned by Officer Brady in the Batten Airport, the International Airport of Racine. So shout out to them for just organizing this, and for all the students that came out and enjoyed themselves. It was a really, really awesome event, and I'm glad I could be a part of it. It went fantastic. We took about 8 to 10 students from the local high schools, introduced them to the airport, the shop where they do all of their engineering and working on planes and building planes. We did lunch. We did a classroom setting to explain to everyone how planes fly and gravity and air like friction and all those things work, all the terminology for that. So that went really well. Everyone was also given the opportunity to take a flight test in the planes or the helicopter. So we had both planes and helicopters. So everything went really well. The weather was absolutely gorgeous. There's a light breeze, clear skies. I also went up and had a really good time. So that would be, I think, my 6th or 7th time going up in a plane this year. I'm working on getting my own private pilot's license, so that's something that I'm working on. So everything today just went really, really well. Everything was great, and it was fantastic. So thank you to Mr. Brady. Thank you to the Batten Airport, and thank you to everyone who came through today. So thanks, guys.